How to enable double tap to turn screen on. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So start by opening the settings on your device. Now scroll down and find the option of Advanced Features. Here you want to tap on Motions and Gestures. Now, the settings might be different in different devices, so if you don't find it here, what you can do is head back and tap on the search icon here, and you just want to search for gestures. Once you do that, you're going to find these settings here. So wherever the settings are, you can directly find it in this way. Once you're here, tap on this option and you're going to find the option of double tap to turn screen on. As you can see, it is already enabled. So if it's turned off like this and you want to enable double tap, then you want to toggle this option on. Once you do that, whenever you double tap, the screen will be turned on. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.